Welcome back, food lovers. Today, we're diving into the world of fresh, vibrant salads with our 5-minute salad hacks. Get ready to whip up a delicious and healthy salad in no time. Let's get started. First, let's gather our ingredients. For this quick salad, you'll need 2 cups of mixed greens, like spinach and arugula, 1 cup of cherry tomatoes, halved, half a cucumber, sliced, 1/4 of a red onion, thinly sliced, 1 avocado, diced, and a handful of your favorite nuts or seeds for crunch, think almonds, walnuts, or sunflower seeds. Now, for the star of the show, our homemade dressing. You'll need 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar, a teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a pinch of salt and pepper, and for an extra kick, a dash of lemon juice or a teaspoon of honey, depending on your preference. Let's start with the dressing. In a small bowl or a jar, combine the olive oil, balsamic vinegar, Dijon mustard, salt, and pepper. If you like a touch of sweetness, add in the honey. Now, whisk it together until it's well blended, or simply put the lid on the jar and shake it up. Now that we have our dressing ready, it's time to assemble our salad. In a large bowl, combine the mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber slices, and red onion. The colors are so vibrant, and they're just bursting with flavor. Next, let's add the diced avocado. Avocado not only adds creaminess, but also a healthy dose of fats and nutrients. Just gently toss everything together to mix those delicious flavors without mashing the avocado. Now, it's time to add our homemade dressing. Drizzle it over the salad, and give it another gentle toss. This dressing is simple yet so flavorful, making your salad irresistible. Finally, for that perfect crunch, sprinkle your favorite nuts or seeds on top. This will not only enhance the flavor, but also add texture to your salad. And there you have it, your fresh, vibrant salad is ready in just 5 minutes. This is perfect for a healthy lunch, a light dinner, or a side dish at any meal. Let's take a moment to appreciate this beautiful dish. Just look at those colors. Eating healthy has never been this quick or easy. You can customize this salad with any of your favorite ingredients, so feel free to get creative. Thank you for joining me today on this delicious salad journey. Remember, healthy eating doesn't have to be complicated. With a few quick hacks, you can enjoy a fresh, nutritious meal in just minutes. Don't forget to share your salad creations with us, and I'll see you next time for more tasty recipes.